Today in our 2017 Ford Taurus, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system consisting of part numbers RRRVA126B-2. These are the Vortex Aero crossbars, black in color and 49 inches long. These also come in silver as part number RRVA126S-2. We'll also be using part number RRRLKVA. These are the 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero crossbars. And finally, part number DK229. And this is the custom fit kit for the Ford Taurus that will clamp it onto your vehicle. The Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system is great for carrying a wide variety of accessories on your roof while freeing up space inside your vehicle. It can carry anything from bike racks to cargo baskets to small cargo boxes. Unlike square and round bars, it has this aerodynamic design to it which is going to cut down wind noise and drag while you drive without the use of a fairing. It also has this strip on the top, this Vortex Aero strip, which also helps out with that as well. Undoing the end cap here, this is capable to be used with T-track accessories. You just remove the strip, place your item in, and then cut it to length. Unlike some of the other foot packs that are out there, the Rhino Racks do come with the locks included, so once you install this onto your roof, it's secured to your roof as well. You can purchase a lock for this portion here as well, and make these key-to-like if you wanted to. With the two bars combined, it does have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, but you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure your roof can withstand those weights. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We already have our front bar installed on our vehicle, and how we got it to this position is once we had it in place, we measured from the center of the door jamb back to the center of the bar, and we did this on both sides to make sure that it was even. Let's go ahead and show you how that rear bar gets assembled now. In front of us here we have our 2500 series leg, which is going to be attached to our bar in a minute here. We have the clamp and this rubber foot pack here that's going to be attached to the 2500 series leg. And then we have the end caps here, which will come with our leg as well, and these are lockable. We have our end cap to our bar and the tool here to lock it into place once you're finished, and of course the tightening tools and keys for the roof rack as well. We'll start by flipping our bar and getting our leg ready to install. We're going to take this bracket here and slide it into this T-track slot, like so. And then the instructions, you'll have a measurement measuring back from this point to where the leg is supposed to sit. And normally you would have a strip that you would put into place, cut to the length that it needs to be, and you'd be good to go. But for demonstration purposes, we'll just measure it out. So we'll measure from the edge here out. Then we'll take our included tool and tighten down the screw in the center here. With that done, we can actually replace our end cap here and take our tool and secure it in place. Next we'll take our rubber foot here and place it on the bottom of our leg. You want to make sure that you're putting the right one in the right place. So this is rear left with the arrow facing out. So I find it easier just to actually remove the end foot here, and everything just kind of lines up and it just kind of pushes into place. Push this back in place, again making sure the arrow is facing the right direction. And you notice that this is rear left because once we set it on, like so, this is going to be on the left side of the vehicle. Next we'll install our clamps. Remove this screw on the leg here. Install our clamp and reinstall the screw loosely, as you're going to want to be able to move this around a little bit once you get it on the vehicle. Now ready to set this on our vehicle. We'll start off by opening up the rear doors on both sides. Be very careful when we set our bars down, because we don't want to scratch the vehicle or anything like that with our clamps. Before I had mentioned, we went from the center of the door jamb for our front bar measurement. Now to get our rear bar measurement, we're measuring from the center of the front bar back on both sides as well to keep the bars parallel. With everything measured out, next we'll just loosely get our clamps tightened up against the door jamb here using our tightening tool. We'll do this on both sides. And I want you to notice that with this tightening tool, it has a curve to it. As you tighten it evenly on both sides, it'll straighten out, and once it's straightened out, it's torqued down to its proper specifications, and this is kind of a fail-safe to make sure you don't over-tighten it onto your roof. All right, you can see that's straightened out. So now we're tightened up. It's not going anywhere. Now we can put on our end caps, load up our gear, and we're ready to hit the road. We'll line up the tabs here with our leg. All right, and now we're secure and we're ready to go. And there you have it for the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system on our 2017 Ford Taurus.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.